Oh, hello everyone. So this is a game that I started developing back in 2013. So I just picked it up again this weekend, a little bit this week, and started improving it. It's called Ninja Squad Commander. It's an RTS game, real-time strategy. So last weekend, I basically went over and redid the entire UI using the new Unity UI components. The gameplay is basically the same. You have a sensei, you have to protect him. If you lose your sensei, then the game is over. But I did add some new capabilities. You can actually upgrade the shrine multiple times now. So the first time you put out a shrine, then that enables you to create a ninja of that type. If you create a second shrine, then you can still create ninjas of that type, but they'll have additional abilities. So for instance, the fire ninja, they have additional attack power. So the more fire shrines you have up, the more attack power you have. And for each rank, they gain a sword. So they can have up to 4 swords, up to rank 4, basically. The water ninja, they have faster attacks. They can attack twice in 1 second instead of once. The wind ninja can move faster. And for each rank, every time they rank up, they move a little bit faster. And then the earth ninja have more health. They're kind of like your defensive units. And as you rank them up, they get additional health. I did a little bit to the AI, so the enemy ninja don't come one at a time anymore. They usually wait till they have about 5 going, 5 in a group, and then they'll attack. But it's kind of random when they will attack. So you can see all these fire ninjas now have 1 sword for the first rank. And as you build these shrines, they're kind of like Torii gates. I guess that's the real name. I just call them shrines. Your resources will go up by 10 for each tick. So it is beneficial to build as many shrines as you can. You can zoom in and out. Using the mouse wheel. You can actually build additional temples, and that will allow you to summon another sensei. So, like I said earlier, once all the sensei are defeated, and that's game over. So you can see now all of these fire ninjas have 2 swords. So they have additional attack power over the 1 rank ninjas. So yeah, one thing that I did is if you get close to the enemy sensei, then all of the defensive units will come over here and help, but I already defeated him. So I'm going to play another game real quick just to show that you can have multiple temples and multiple sensei. Also added a grass texture. I'm really not too happy with it yet because it kind of pops in. I'm wanting to figure out how to do a better grass texture. There might be some configuration setting that allows you to expand the draw distance of the grass texture. I'll go ahead and say that there are cheat codes in this game. I forgot about that, so I'm typing the cheat code. That'll instantly give me 5,000 additional resources, so I can go ahead and build the additional temple now. And that pops up the new sensei button, so now I have an additional sensei. So unfortunately, you can't manually place any of these buildings. They just kind of pop up in a row. I don't know. In RTSs, like placing the buildings, I never found that to be really fun. So I kind of actually like it where it automatically places the buildings for you. That way you don't have to worry about placing them yourself. Just to go ahead and show, like I'll go ahead and build 2 more water shrines. So if I now create Water Ninja, you can see, if I can get close here, you can actually zoom in pretty close to these guys, but you can see they have four katana swords now. Just to show the defensive reaction, I'm going to take some of these Wind Ninjas. I also updated like the selection, so you can see like the little swirlies around the fire or the Wind Ninja right there, so you can just like drag, and a little bit better than the old mechanism that I had, where it would just highlight that ninja in green. I still need to add like a way to differentiate. So you see they have ninja over here, so I'm going to attack their guys. So now they all, well, sometimes they get confused based on the timer. But yeah, once they see the senseis, their sensei health dropping, they'll jump into attack. Now they kind of clump up. I need to fix that because they all go to the same spot. But I could add like a collider or something, but that might be a little bit overkill. So I think it's pretty fun. Like you have these ninja wars, and I like the lighting effects. Like if I take some fire ninjas, just select some here. The water effects, I think that's pretty cool too. That's just like a standard Unity asset from a long time ago. Let's get a couple of these fire ninjas. So you can really see that lighting effect along with the particle system. So yeah, all these Wind Ninjas are going to pop over and try to save their sensei along with the Earth Ninjas. So yeah, the AI basically selects a different thing to build, and then or ninja. Unfortunately, the ninjas just spawn in a row. I need to like do a better rally point system. You can move the sensei around, but they're kind of slow, and they really can't regenerate health. I probably need to update the font as well, because it kind of turns around with the enemy. So you can tell now they're all going over toward this sensei. I think it just picks one at random, or the first one that it finds. So yeah, he died. So that, interestingly enough, that creates another opportunity to create a sensei. I should probably have like a cooldown or something, or a build time for each of these, because you can just keep popping sensei out. That could be an issue. Yeah, so that's what happens when you lose. Might need to update this canvas right here that looks a little bit low res. But yeah, it's kind of actually becoming the game that I had originally envisioned now. I'm going back to some of these older games that I developed 4 or 5 years ago and updating them, making them look a little bit better and making them a little bit more close to the game that I envisioned. Now that I know a little bit more about Unity and gotten a little bit better with making these. And the other thing is just to update these, make sure that they still compile, they still run, and update the obsolete portions that use the old GUI text system. Get that out of there. Just make sure that I can still compile them in the future. So anyway, that's Ninja Squad Commander. This is currently out on itch.io. You can always find it on my website, levidsmith.com/games/ninja-squad-commander. So thanks everyone for watching.